Sean Hannity Show.
All right, 25 to the top of the hour, 800-941-SEAN, our number. You want to be a part of the program. As we promised, we will get straight to our busy.
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Iron County in southern Utah until 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2:35 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing intense rain in Cedar City. Between 0.75 and 1.75 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Basement flooding, flows on roads, and potential road closures hazard life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cedar City. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Iron, Utah,